2019 was an amazing year for Dagcoin in terms of the overall growth of the community and ecosystem. Dagcoin grew from 150,000 to nearly 400,000 users and added 800 merchants who are proudly accepting Dagcoins for products and services. It was also the year when Dagcoin started trending. People around the world started talking about the science and benefits behind the direct acyclic graph. News publications from around the world noticed Dagcoin and started publishing countless articles on the success of the cryptocurrency. Community members started contributing to the development of the Dagcoin ecosystem by helping to build new solutions such as the Dagcoin ATM. In 2019, Dagcoin's development team spent more than 150,000 hours developing the ecosystem and launching new products and platforms. At the beginning of the year, Verify Once was developed with the aim to reduce the need to go through the verification process on different platforms and services within the Dagcoin ecosystem. Dag Wallet's back-end technology was drastically improved to make transacting easier. We also launched the Dag Wallet for iOS. In addition, we came out with a new and improved brand and website, which has helped us establish ourselves as a trustworthy cryptocurrency and appeal to serious financial institutions. We launched the DagPay point-of-sales application to make accepting Dagcoin payments easier for merchants. We developed the Dagcoin gift cards in order to make sharing our cryptocurrency with your close ones more convenient. We also launched Dagcoin Grow, a service where anyone can grow their Dagcoin portfolio. We redesigned the exchange platform SwipeX from the ground up to make exchanging Dagcoins easier than ever. In the second half of 2019, Dag Market was launched with the aim of connecting the community and adding another way to earn or use Dags. It is the perfect platform for earning more Dags by selling different products and services for Dagcoins. The development teams also worked on many products that have yet to be launched to the public, such as Dagcoin Games, Dagcoin ATM, Dagcoin Card, Dagcoin Loans, and Dag Telecom. Many of these services are currently in beta testing and will be launched in 2020. In 2019, Dagcoin started supporting aspiring talent and initiatives from around the world. We assisted the World Cleanup Day with organizing their annual Clean World Conference and helped them develop new technology solutions to make cleaning the world from trash easier than ever. We helped Junior Commerce International organize their annual conference, where more than 5,000 young entrepreneurs from around the world came together to discuss how technologies like Dagcoin could change and enhance the future of humanity. We supported the Formula 3 race driver Yuri Vips, the Estonian Volleyball Association, the kickboxing superstar Max Vorovsky, and many others. We can confidently say that 2019 has been a very successful year. Let's make 2020 even more special, together.